Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 317 Walker Drive in Canandaigua.
This is an amazing ranch townhome in the premier Rose Park Cottages neighborhood, walking distance to gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is highly desirable and convenient one-floor living at its best. With a great room featuring a designer kitchen with beautiful shaker-style cabinetry, recessed and pendant lighting, and quartz countertops with a breakfast bar. Open to the dining area and living area with maintenance-free flooring and patio access, all with an adjacent laundry and foyer. This ideal floor plan features 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including an owner's suite with a private full bathroom and scenic backyard views.
Enjoy relaxing on your own private paver patio with beautiful landscaping. Rose Park Cottages is a premier neighborhood of fine townhomes, offering low-maintenance living with a low-cost HOA and scenic walking trails around the Canandaigua Outlet and Lagoon Park, plus sidewalks to Canandaigua Country Club and Canandaigua Lake. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 317 Walker Drive in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!